Winter holiday celebrations bring delicious homemade goodies like cookies, cakes, and breads. Hi, I'm Chef Justin. If you enjoy making holiday treats from scratch using raw ingredients, I've got a few important tips that will keep you safe from foodborne illness. Keep all raw foods like eggs separate from ready-to-eat foods. Keep raw eggs refrigerated at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below until ready to use. Desserts containing eggs should be baked to a safe internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Follow package directions on baking mixes and other flour-containing products for correct baking temperatures and times. Remember, flour is a powder that can spread easily. Wash your hands thoroughly for at least 20 seconds before and after touching raw ingredients. For more information on preventing foodborne illness, visit the Division of Food Safety Consumer Resources and Outreach website. Have a happy and healthy holiday season. And remember, keep baking.